IcyBox Mystery Boxes Review, Expectation versus Reality. In this video, I'm taking a closer look at IcyBox Mystery Boxes to compare the exciting unboxing experience with what you can realistically expect to receive, and whether spending your money on these boxes actually makes sense. An IcyBox is tagged with this video, so you can check it directly while watching and review the current boxes and available options. First, IcyBox is a little different from traditional mystery box websites. It focuses specifically on watches. You choose a box tier, open it digitally, and receive a randomly selected watch from the possible items shown for that box. One positive feature is transparency around possible outcomes. Current users report that IcyBox displays the watches that can appear in a particular box along with their odds, so you're not entering completely blind. Recent App Store reviewers specifically highlighted being able to inspect the possible outcomes and probabilities before opening. Once you reveal a watch, you generally have two choices: request shipment of the watch or sell it back for platform credit and try another box. This creates an experience that feels closer to opening collectible packs than simply ordering a conventional product, but this is where expectation and reality become important. The exciting part is obviously the possibility of pulling a much more desirable watch. Recent users have reported outcomes involving brands such as Swatch, Citizen, and Tissot, including a user who reported eventually pulling a Tissot PRX after selling previous results and trying again. However, those successful pulls shouldn't be treated as the normal outcome. Recent community feedback is mixed. Some users say they enjoy the concept and have received watches they're happy with. Others complain that their pulls were inexpensive models they wouldn't personally have paid the displayed value for. One recent user specifically argued that the probability of getting a desirable watch wasn't worth the amount being risked. There are also reports of shipping taking time. In a recent IcyBox community discussion, one user said their watch had remained in preparing status for more than a week. That's an individual experience rather than proof of a widespread shipping problem, but it's something worth keeping in mind. Another important consideration is the sellback system. Community discussion indicates that selling a watch back may return less than its displayed value, meaning repeatedly opening boxes can gradually consume your balance. So here's my pro tip. Before opening any IcyBox, ignore the most expensive watch displayed for a moment. Look at the lower value outcomes and their probabilities instead. Ask yourself, would I still be comfortable spending this money if I receive one of these? If the answer is no, don't open the box. And don't treat mystery boxes as an investment strategy or a reliable way to obtain an expensive watch. You're paying partly for the entertainment and uncertainty of the reveal. So, expectation versus reality. The expectation is pulling a premium watch for dramatically less than its retail price. The reality is that you could receive something desirable, but you can also receive a watch you wouldn't have chosen yourself. And repeatedly selling back and reopening boxes can increase how much you ultimately spend. If you already know exactly which Tissot, Citizen, Longines, or other watch you want, buying that specific model from an authorized or reputable retailer is generally the more predictable approach. But if you genuinely enjoy mystery box style experiences, understand the probabilities, set a strict spending limit, and would be happy keeping several of the possible watches, IcyBox can provide an entertaining experience. Overall, I wouldn't judge IcyBox by the best pulls shown online. Judge each box by its complete list of possible outcomes, the published odds, sell-back terms, and the amount you're comfortable losing in exchange for the entertainment. IcyBox is tagged with this video, so check the tagged product to review the current boxes, odds, and terms before spending any money. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether you would open an IcyBox or simply buy the exact watch you want.